my chickadees, welcome back to the Bag 40. It is Tipsters Tuesday, and it's been a while since I've done a Tipsters Tuesday, just plain old Tipsters Tuesday without a tip or a hot tip moved into the middle of something. So, I know I'm an old planner girl from way back, and the Happy Planner punches that we have, 2 or 3 of them you have to buy because they kind of always mess up. Well, I have 2 or 3 of them laying around. And I went today because I wanted to get a Rolodex punch. And I kept looking for them. And they kept coming up mushroom punches. And I was thinking, I have a mushroom punch. So I played with my Happy Planner today. But I used the one that I have at work that's functioning for my Happy Planner at work. So, but it's a short Happy Planner. So after I moved them around and got it working where it worked, as far as I was concerned, then I took one of the bottom ends that I don't use anymore, that's too long, and I took it out. And, you put it together and you can press it and it punches, okay? So all you do is just line up like you would if you were going to punch a Happy Puncher, and then you just punch it, okay? And then you go to the other side and you punch it. Okay, and then it gives you the Rolodex card. Okay, and for the look, that's good. It looks like a Rolodex card, no problem if you're just going for the look to put in your journal. If you want to actually function in the Rolodex card, I found that all you have to do is take your little puncher and go right next to, I turned it upside down and dropped it out. And my ADD brain don't like puzzles. So, hold on. Okay. So then, all you do is just turn it upside down, slide it right in, move just a hair over. Oops. Move a hair over, and then just punch it. And it comes out with the big size that will fit in the Rolodex card. That's all you have to do. Again, on this side, you just move it right over just a hair so you can see the lineup, and then you just punch. But when you do, it's big enough that the holes are wide enough that it slides without getting hindered on the Rolodex card. And it does just fine. I tested it at work. Okay, so that is my hot tip for today. So if you have this old Happy Planner stuff laying around, I took a Rolodex card, put it in my little Dollar Tree holder that I got from my ephemera, along with that extra one that I don't use anymore. Also, if you have one that gets stuck every time you use it, you can take it out and use it for this. Works just as great. Doesn't hang up because there's nothing to hang up on. And it works fine. So that is my tip for today. Reuse, recycle. Never know what you got laying around. And like Pam at the Paper I Post says, everything is a craft supply until proven otherwise. So I'm trying to prove everything otherwise. Y'all have a good one. Bye. Y'all, let me just show y'all here. I know there's my brain so bad. My brain's just bad. My grandma was here. She'd say she'd have to wash my brain out with some soap because it was just naughty. And it was naughty. That's just a naughty looking little thing there. So I would just take my scissors and I would just cut that little clip off so my little brain wouldn't be naughty when it's solid. Okay, I'm just saying. So, anyway, I'm done with that comment. There's just nothing else I can do about that because, Grandma might visit me tonight and tell me how naughty I was. And I just I'm not up to that. And then after you drop it, discombobulated and mess my punching up. Got to thinking about that. Mess my punch up. This video kind of sucked. I might have to redo it a little bit. If I can't edit it, it might go to the grave, and y'all may never see this. If you do, this part may be on the blooper. All right, bye. Y'all have a good one.